Good morning. It's Jilly Cube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, doing a little pour for you on a 20 by 25 canvas. I am using the Mont flamingo colours, these little pouring paints. I've been testing these paints, so I've been doing different style pours over the last couple of days, or just seeing what kind of style pours I can get out of these particular paints. So today will be the flip cup pour. So to see if I can get a nice flip cup out of these. So let's get going. I have put 1 drop of the Helmar silicone. If you don't want cells at all and you just want like a marbling effect, then don't add any silicone. But I want to add the silicone, so that's what I've done. So I am going to start loading a cup up with these colours. Now, when they come directly out of the bottle, some of them are quite thick for different styles. So these were quite thick, so I did add a little bit of my pouring medium to them. You don't have to add anything if you don't want to, but for the style I'm doing, I'm just going to, I'll go with the white first. I've added a little bit of my pouring medium. They are supposed to be paints that you do not need to add anything. They pour straight from the bottle, and I have done that with lots of different styles with them. I'll try and make up a playlist that's just got these paints in it, or pouring paints with the different pouring mediums. So if you wanted to just try a certain style, you could go for it. So this one, they're doing different. Oh, that's quite thick. They're doing different little themes. So this one's called Flamingo, and I've got going to be trying the rainforest, and I think there's an ethereal and a ethereal cosmic. There's different ranges, and they're looking absolutely gorgeous. So I'm doing different little experiments to see what I can get out of these paints, what kind of styles. So this one is the Shiraz pink. This one isn't in that little pack, but I wanted something to give it some oomph and see how it reacts. So it's just all you know, trial and error, trying different things with different paints, and that's what I love. Gone through different brands of paints, and I've ended up, you know, absolutely loving the Mont. For the main reason is because Mont is consistent with their paint. You can buy Mont paints and be assured that it's going to be the same colour and same consistency than the last batch you bought, where I used to be using, nearly all the time, was the global paints, and they were just so inconsistent. They'd be runny one week and thick the next, and the colours, you could put 2 colours together that were supposed to be the same, and they never were the same. So that became very annoying, so I don't use those paints anymore. I'm just loving the Mont. I love Boom Gel paints. I love, what's the other one I liked? Oh, the Dimensions. There's lots out there to choose from, so that's a good thing. I'm just going to cover my corners with this white that I've got pre-made up. This particular white is the Mont Studio Acrylics with my pouring medium. As I tell you each and every time, my pouring medium recipe is in the drop-down box, along with links to suppliers. So I hope that helps you guys out. So here we go. Look, it looks like a cup of nice ice cream sundae of some description. Let's go for it, hey? See what we get. Sometimes it's nice pushing a pin in, which I could do, but I'll end up. These cups are quite flimsy. Oh wow, look at that. Looky. They're really quite candy colours, these flamingo ones, but lots of people love the pinks and blues together. So I might take it up to the top and I'll do I'll do a flip and lip. Wow, that is so gorgeous in the cup. All marbly looking. Wowzers, wowzers, look at that. What gorgeous colours together. Oh my goodness. That is just beautiful. Even just at that, it looks gorgeous. Look at those coming up there. Remember that I've put a couple of drops of the Helmar silicone. Can get that online. I think it's under $7, like really cheap and lasts for ages. And I have used every sort of silicone, trust me. And I just find that the best one works the best. So I'm just trying to do this slowly so I don't wreck it. Quite cosmic. It's obviously in a candy kind of way. Beautiful. I'm sure I can get that to come up so much more with a little bit of the heat wand on it, my Wonder Wand. Oh, look at that. Oh, I should definitely have to try a bigger canvas with some several flip cups on that. Wow, that is gorgeous. Let's see what happens when I add a bit of heat to it. Just, I mean, the cup is gorgeous in there. It looks so nice. Actually, I might pour a bit of the leftover over the corner because I don't mind that at all. Leave a little bit of white on its own, it's fine. Wow, love it. That's nice. That is nice. That gold will really pop through when it's dried. I like it. And this is the difference. Look, they get like little champagne cells. I know I've got these bigger ones, but they also get these little champagne cells, little bubbles happening. Then all the colours will start to come up. Very happy with that. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think of that one. I think that's a nice little pour. I will put some photos on at the end of this video and let you have a little squizzy and see what it's turned out when it's dry. But this is a part of my quick creations, I should call it. I think I'm going to make a playlist up with just quick creations that are under 12 minutes long. So if somebody's just, you know, in a lunch break or coffee break and they just want to watch a quick video, or some people just don't like longer videos, so I will try and do a playlist of quick creations, and that's one for you. And it is actually quite beautiful. So bye for now. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so, please do so. I appreciate it, and it's absolutely free. Bye for now.